Hello, wonderful people. Hey, sorry, I was not able to vlog for a couple of weeks due to the intercom issue or the mic issue what I had with the helmet. So it took about some troubleshooting to fix the recording issue. There was apparently a voice issue with the voice recording. So yeah, nevertheless, I believe that's sorted. I tested it out. So now, yes, my dear friends, it's 5:10 a.m. in the morning. A lovely Saturday morning. So you must be wondering, where am I headed to today? So yeah, so the plan is this way. I and my other friend Shamshu, he would shortly be moving out to UAE on an assignment. So there we thought that this is probably the weekend what we could do a ride. So hence the plan. So we are planning to ride to BR Hills, which is there are two routes to BR Hills. One is via Mysore Road and one is via Kanakpura Road, Shivanasamudram and so on. So now we are planning to take the Mysore Road side, right? So I'm going to meet the folks, he and his two more colleagues. Incidentally, both their names happen to be Sujit, both of them. The identifier is one is lean and one is little bit well built like me. So that's the identifier. So I'm going to meet them at the nice exit at about 6 a.m. and then we head towards BR Hills. Alright, so guys, please stay tuned. More to come today. It's going to be an exciting ride. I hope so. Okay, let's fill the tank up at the Trusted Bunk. So this is a Trusted Bunk, Indian Oil, company owned and company operated. I prefer company owned, company operated bunks because it's more genuine. I feel there's no scope of cheating, at least by adulterating the fuel. Of course, they can only play around with the measurements, which we as customers need to be watchful anyways. Alright, it's a long queue this morning. Not sure where the scooties are headed to. Probably to buy some milk. That's what it looks to be. Yeah. Okay. This is a BTM layout at this point. So yeah, a nice banner there saying I love Indian Oil. Okay. ₹1,000 ಹಾಕಿ. ಹಾಂ 1,200 ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ 1,000 ಸಾಕು. ಇದೆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಸರ್, ₹110? ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಕತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಗಾಡಿ. ಹಾಂ, ₹110, my friends, petrol. So you get about 9 liters. That's it. And that should be good for me to do close to 280 kilometers, something like that. Okay, a lot of people waiting behind me, so let me get going. All right, that's the story of our petrol. So the less spoken the better, because you cannot do anything about it at this point. As everybody knows, 40% is the cost of the petrol, 60% is the tax what we pay on it. So yeah, we get taxed multiple times, right? Income tax, sales tax, GST, what not. I sometimes feel that more than 60-70% of our income is going towards tax only. So hope things get better. All right, I'll see you all at the nice exit shortly. So now we are at nice exit, Mysore Road nice exit, and my friend Shamshu has come, so he's setting up his intercom so that we can communicate. And this is Mr. Sujit, and this is again Mr. Sujit.
Hi.
So I introduced you all to both of them. So there are two Sujits and my friend Shamshu, and we are riding together. So yeah, so he's setting up his intercom, and then we'll be able to communicate and ride along. So look forward to it. So they're checking out my bike and finding it interesting, and there is some discussion going on between both of them. Both of them are Malayalis, and they started their discussion in Malayalam. Some major review is going on about the bike. So yeah, good. Look forward to all the biking talk, and as we ride along. We are now on Mysore Road and heading towards Bidadi, which is where we are going to have some amazing breakfast. And this is exactly what we are going to have, the tatte idli and the vada. And from there we are going to head towards Kunigal, and then take the route to BR Hills. So my friend is right in front of me, and Sujits are following right behind on two bikes. One is an Avenger and one is a Dominar. Alright my friend, we are going to have breakfast at Bidadi Bisi Tatte Idli. So we're going to have the breakfast right here. So this is a good spot. It's a good seating, and so we have the world famous Bisi Bisi Tatte Idli and Vada. Along with that we have the Dal Vada also. And yeah, this is what we are having, and we're going to have it and then get going further. We're heading towards Mysore and precisely Maddur. From there we plan to take a diversion and then get to the Kunigal road and get onto the Mangalore highway. So yeah, it's an amazing weather, lovely morning and beautiful roads, and the horses. You don't need anything else. It's an amazing feeling. Effortless cruising. 135. Even at 150 the bike is super stable, doesn't move at all. And by the way, I'm carrying the top box today with luggage as well, so that's not impacting either. Yeah, but Mysore road at this point has got a lot of deviations because of the ongoing road work. That's the only not so good thing. So yeah, we'll head further, get to Maddur and pull over for refreshment and then proceed further. We have right now taken a diversion from Maddur and now we are on Kunigal Maddur highway. Very scenic drive, looks really beautiful, both sides lush green cultivation, and the road is really nice. It's a single lane state highway, but the road is really good. So it's about 44 kilometers to Kunigal. So we are going to go till Kunigal and then get to the Mangalore highway. Beautiful interior, winding roads. Hi Sujit.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, good.
Hi Sujit. How are you? So Shamshu.
Yeah, hi.
So yeah, Sujit, you've been riding the Dominar, right? I
Yeah,
think
right.
couple of years.
2 years.
2 years you're riding. So what do you feel about it, and do you think you should upgrade? And if you want to upgrade, what will it be?
Actually, I upgraded from Classic 350. That's because of the vibrations and everything. I upgraded to Dominar.
Right.
Now I feel very comfortable when cruising at 100. Very comfortable riding. Now I'm looking for a next upgrade. So I have two options are with me. One is a C900 Kawasaki and other is Versa 650.
Ah.
So I'm just confused on both between. So I mostly like naked bikes. I didn't drive that much on ADV bikes because I'm not that much a height. I am on 5'6", 5'7".
I heard from Shamshu that you are waiting when I will sell.
Yeah, right. So I'm just when you bought 650, I was just told when I was going to sell his bike, then maybe I can go for an option.
I think Versus is a long time keeper.
A long time.
Long time. I don't think I need anything more than that
Yeah,
at this
right.
point.
Or otherwise, Ninja 650 also
Hmm.
the sports cruiser. That is also
That is also okay, yeah.
okay bike. It's a sports cruiser,
Hmm.
not a Ninja 6 XR, but a Ninja 650.
Hmm.
That's
So how was
also-
your? We went for a biking ride today. We went to Mysore Road. Then from there we came to Kunigal, and then now we are in Kamanalli Savory Restaurant for lunch. How was your biking experience today?
So it was fun. We had started with a little early morning. That initial that road, the patches roads, they cleared the patches roads, so it was a good ride. Then we had a breakfast at Bidadi, that famous Tatetli.
Hmm.
Then we had to this Madhur.
Hmm.
Then we had from there to Kunigal. It's a nice road. So that is a still single two-way road, but it is not less traffic.
Hmm.
It's a comfort.
It was a
ride.
nice road.
Nice
Yeah,
comfort
yeah,
ride.
yeah, yeah.
Even we can drive cruise at a 90, 100 also, not that much.
Okay,
Sometimes.
so that was the best part of the
ride.
today's ride.
Today's ride. That,
So
around
anything specific today's ride you didn't enjoy the most?
that 50 kilometer patch, that 50 kilometer stretch was very good.
Ah,
Single ride, that was
okay,
very good.
good.
Then Kunigal to Nallamangala, that all people almost know that it is a highway, right?
Hmm.
You can cruise at 110 easily at that. Then the story happens after this on a ring road. The fun happens. Today the cops was there. With that their interceptor. So me and my friend, he is also named is Suchi. We got caught by our speed. I got on 57, 50 was the limit, and he is telling that on 60.
Oh,
So the funniest part was that I paid the fine. They taken my credit card and his driving license. The both name was Sujit, and they said one payment and they went off.
so basically you saved
We saved half of them.
1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees for him
Okay, good.
because we share the same name.
Same name. That was the fun part today.
Fun part. So
good.
on my credit card it was Sujit. His license was Sujit.
Ah.
So they taken my address,
Done.
my card, and his
Ah.
license.
Ah,
So that was
Good,
other
good,
things
good.
happened. Now we are in at Kamanalli having lunch.
lunch. Yeah.
That's what is the plan.
So how about you? Are you planning to upgrade or are you happy with your
last 4
bike?
years I'm riding Bajaj Avenger. Like of course, if I want to upgrade, I'm actually maybe next year I'm supposed to shift this year, but I couldn't.
What are you planning to get?
Like KTM 250, yeah.
250 or Adventure, one of them.
250.
250,
yeah,
okay.
Or else like CB 350.
Yeah. I think 250 is a very nice bike. I was riding today Shamshu's bike.
Yeah.
I think you don't need anything more than that. If you are going to ride 100, 110, 120,
Yeah.
you can use in city, highway, you can do little off-road, everything I think you can do in that.
Like maybe next year I will.
Yeah, I think that's a good bike to go for.
Yeah.
Cool, good. Shamshu, you rode my Versus today. What
Yeah.
did you feel about it?
Yeah, I think today I rode above 6,000 RPM. So I could make out that the engine is very powerful comparatively to our bikes. So it's just that your bike needs those kind of expressways
Yeah.
to really enjoy the ride. But overall, it's an excellent bike. Hopefully one day even I would like to upgrade. So, but looks like for this year this is going to be our last ride because
Yeah.
I am also going abroad. So I think it's quite memorable. Today the weather was very pleasant in the morning. So especially the interior roads that we rode, about 50 kilometers stretch, was amazing.
Yeah,
I was very happy. I just wish that we didn't have such a tight schedule. Even Sujit was busy,
Yeah.
and otherwise, my plan was we could stay somewhere overnight, explore some hilly region, and then come back.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, that could not happen this time. But hopefully, I look forward to some better trips.
Yeah. We'll plan something when
Yeah.
you're back next time on a
Yes.
holiday or vacation. We'll
Yeah,
plan
sure.
something.
But overall, good. So even I got a chance to ride my bike on open road. So really got to know its capability.
Yeah. I also rode your bike. I felt that it is one bike you can do everything, right?
Yes.
You can do city, you can do a little bit off-roading, you can do cruising.
Yeah.
I think it's
On the way we see
It's a good
one
bike.
390 ADV also.
yeah.
On the way we see one 390 ADV. It's a white color. It's it look like same only.
Yeah.
Only the thing, one thing maybe you have to put a jelly
The seat.
pack, seat jelly pack maybe you have to put. It is little stiff.
So we are having this mutton
Mandi.
and this was
Al-Faham chicken.
Al-Faham chicken. So
Typical Arabic dish. Yemeni
looks
dish. Mandi is Yemeni dish.
Yemeni dish. It's very So this place is Savory in Kamanalli, and they have many branches in Bangalore. So you can try it out anywhere. Looks really delicious. I can't wait. So I'm just going to pause and get going with. It's done with lunch, and now it's dessert time. So there is something special here. It's called tender coconut souffle, made out of tender coconut. That's what I'm enjoying. So delicious, really amazing. If you go to Savory, definitely try this out. It's really good.